Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and these are the key organizers by Lucky Line. Now, as you can see, there's two different options. One does not have a lock on it, and the other one does. Now, both of these have 24 key hooks in here. So you're gonna be able to at least store 24 different sets of key rings or individual keys. Now, the size of these, they're both the same, and that is they're 8.5 inches wide, they're 10.5 inches tall, and they're 1.75 inches thick. Let's open these up and take a look inside. All right, now, like I said, both of these are the exact same size, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the one that doesn't have a lock on it, and I'm just gonna set it aside, okay? But as far as the inside goes, it's identical to the one with a lock. Now, as you can see here, it does have this little cam lock on it. The cam lock is plastic, and the keys that it comes with is a Y11 key. All right, so we'll go ahead and let's open this up here and take a look inside. So when you open it up, this is exactly what you're going to be looking at here. You're gonna see this little piece of paper that actually has adhesive backing, which has some, the key number where you can write a little description about each one, and you can peel off the backing and you can put it right here on the inside of the lid. And that way it'll help you keep organized if need be. Now, it's also going to come with these two, these are about a 1/2 inch screws here. Now, this is light enough where you can probably get away with just screwing these into, the drywall, but if you want something a little more secure and you don't want to worry about it falling off, you're going to need to provide your own drywall anchors, all right? Now, I want to point out that it goes without saying that, this is a key organizer with a lock on it, all right? This isn't a extra secure way to store your keys. This is an organizer with a little bit of security. So I need you to keep that in mind when you're selling it to your customers or, thinking of purchasing one, that this is an organizer that happens to have a little, lock on this particular one. And like I said, this one doesn't have a lock at all. This is just organizer only. Now, if you look over here, you're gonna see these 24 different key hooks. Now, they are numbered. I don't know if you can really see it in the picture here, but you'll see number 1 through number 24 right there. Now, I went ahead and I grabbed a few different key tags here. Now, you can obviously just any key with the key ring on it, you can just go ahead and put it on here. But a lot of times you'll want to put, a key tag on it so it also identifies what that key goes to. So let's start off with these couple little, smaller plastic, pretty standard little key tags. And let's go ahead and just put a couple of them on here so you can see what they look like, all right? So put those on there. As you can see, they fit perfectly fine. Your keys would hang there. It's gonna cover up the little number right here, but that's really no big deal in my opinion. Next, we'll do one of these harder plastic key tags. They're a little bigger than these ones, and we'll go ahead and stick that on there just like that. And as you can see, there's not like a ton of room for it. It doesn't drop and hang out, without touching any of the other ones. But at the same time, like if we were to take this one off, we could easily just put it on this one as well, just like that, right? No big deal as far as that goes. And then just for fun, I went ahead and I grabbed one of these jumbo Kevron key tags. Now, these things are really huge, all right? And I'll put a link in the notes below to all these different key tags in case you're interested in any of them. But let's go ahead. I just figured it'd be fun to kind of see what something like this would look like in here as well. So let's go ahead and just put it there, and that's what that would look like. So it's gonna definitely take up a lot of room, but you're still gonna be able to take, your key tags, and you're gonna be able to put them on wherever you wanna put them on, just like that. Okay, so it's definitely gonna work. So this is the key organizer by Lucky Line. It's a great little organizer if you're looking for something to organize your keys. And if you want the lock, you can get the lock put on here. And one of the best parts about these little units here is they're really inexpensive. So that's what makes them even better. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.